What could be causing my generator to make weird noises? Has your generator been giving off strange noises as it operates lately? It is by no means normal. It could be indicative of a serious issue that needs to be diagnosed at the earliest convenience. Go through this presentation to know more. Generator noises and their possible causes. Number 1, whining or squealing. A. Belt issues. Harnessing electrical power from mechanical energy requires the involvement of different belts. If one of them comes loose, a high-pitched squealing noise will emerge as the generator runs. B. Alternator problem. The alternator is the central part of your generator. Internal issues with a part of such significance can result in a whining or squealing noise. Number 2, rattling or clattering. A. Loose components. An array of nuts, bolts, and bearings is used to hold together different parts of the generator. Loosening of these metal-made parts can cause a rattling noise. B. Debris. The accumulation of dust and debris inside the generator can also result in the emergence of a rattling noise. Regularly clean the generator to preserve its performance characteristics. Number 3, knocking or thumping. A. Engine problem. If your generator engine is low on oil, it will produce a weird knocking, ticking noise. You might also hear such a strange noise because of worn-out engine bearings. B. Improper mounting. As a generator operates, it produces a lot of vibration. If your generator is not mounted securely, it may produce a strange thumping noise during operation. Number 4, hissing noise. A. Fuel system issues. If your generator is producing a unique hissing noise, it could be due to a leak in its fuel system. Seepage of pressurized fuel can make a low-pitched hissing noise. B. Exhaust system issues. Leaks in the exhaust system can also result in the generation of a similar noise. Find out and fix the source of the leak to prevent costly repairs. Number 5, popping. A. Ignition system issues. If your generator is backfiring because of defective spark plugs, loud popping noises will emerge. Incorrect fuel mixture because of defective fuel delivery parts can also result in popping noise. So, what should you do? If your generator is producing odd noises during operation, don't take it for granted. It could be an early indication of a serious mechanical issue that requires immediate attention. Contact a reliable technician to diagnose and fix the issue at the earliest convenience. In conclusion, having a generator can come in handy during an unexpected power outage. Preserve the performance characteristics of your generator with adequate care.